In this video, I am going to teach you how to send mass emails on Acuity Scheduling. So the first thing you need to do is you need to head over right here to their website, which is acuityscheduling.com. Once you're in here, you have two options. You can either sign up by clicking onto this Get Started option that we can see right here, or you can also log in if you already have an Acuity account or a Squarespace account. In my case, since I already have it, let's head over and click onto this login option. Once you have logged in, you should be able to see this. Now, when you head over right here to the emails and text option, you should be able to see in here that you can send appointment notifications as well as summary emails that can be sent daily or weekly. Now, as of right now, Acuity Scheduling doesn't have the built-in feature for sending mass emails directly. So it's only available through summary emails as well as appointment notifications. However, you can achieve the mass email effect by integrating an email application like Squarespace Campaigns or MailerLite. You can also use the group class functionality. So in order to do that, head over right here to the integrations option. And in here, you just head over to email marketing. You can already see in here our actual email campaigns for the Squarespace. We have email campaigns, active campaigns, Simplero, Mailchimp, Construct Contact, Trip, and the likes. In this case, you can just choose one. I'll recommend email campaigns from Squarespace. Click onto the setup option. Click onto this connect to Squarespace campaigns, or you can also just connect from there. And once you have successfully connected, you can choose a list that will receive that mass email. Add in here the clients to the mailing list and click onto the save list right here. Once you have saved your list, you can head over and then go and send a mass email for that list. So that's how you send mass emails on Acuity scheduling. Hope we helped.